is Dayang Humaiirah Binti Zolkfle from class M3AD240C. Today I will be presenting the topic plant cell structure for HER for non crop science. Next slide is a table of content. Number 1, introduce of plant cell. Number 2 is type of plant cell and functions. And number 3 is conclusion. A plant cell is the basic structural and functional units of all plants. Like a living cell, plant cells carry out processes such as respiration, growth, and reproduction. What makes plant cell different from animal cell is the presence of 3 specific structures. Number 1 is a cell wall, number 2 is chloroplast, and number 3 is a large center vacuole. This structure gives plants this strange ability to make food and ability to grow upright. Comparison between multicellular and unicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are made out of many cells that work together to carry out life function. Each cell usually has a well-defined nucleus that is enclosed within a nuclear membrane protecting the genetic material. Their cells also contain membrane organelles such as mitochondria, chloroplasts, and the Golgi apparatus. Each organelle has a specific function which makes the cell more organized. Let's begin with the cell wall, the most outer part of a plant cell. The cell wall is a rigid, protective layer not made of cellulose, a strong carbohydrate that provides shape and support. Without the cell wall, plants would not be able to stand upright and would collapse easily. Functions of the cell wall include: number 1 is maintaining the shape of the cell, number 2 is protecting the cell from physical damage, number 3 is preventing excessive water intake, and number 4 is giving plants rigidity and strength. This is why tree trunks, stem, and leaf can remain firm even under strong wind. The wall is cell membrane. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable, meaning it allows only certain substances to enter or leave the cell. Imagine it like a security checkpoint. It ensures that useful material such as water, mineral can enter the cell, while waste product can exit. This helps maintain homeostasis, which is stable condition needed for a cell to function. Next, we have cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that fills the entire cell. All the organelles are suspended in the cytoplasm, allowing them to move slightly and function properly. The cytoplasm is the location where many chemical reactions take place, including reacting for growth, protein synthesis, and energy production. The nucleus is commonly known as the control center of the cell. It contains DNA which carries instructions for everything the cell does. This includes directing growth, reproduction, and the production of proteins. The nucleus also plays a major role in cell division, ensuring that new cells receive the correct genetic information. Without the nucleus, the cell would be unable to. The endoplasmic reticulum or ER comes in 2 forms. Number 1 is smooth ER that covered with ribosome and help produce protein. Number 2 is smooth ER that produce lipids and detoxified harmful substance. The ER act like a transport system inside the cell, moving material. The Golgi apparatus works like packaging and delivery center. It modifies, sort, and package protein and other molecules produced by ER. Once packaged, these materials are transported to where they are needed inside or outside the cell. This ensures that the cell functions smoothly and efficiently. Chloroplasts are one of the most important organelles in plant cells. They contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which captures sunlight and allows plants to carry out photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. into glucose, which is their food, oxygen, which is released into the air. This process to grow. Even though plants make their own food, they still need a way to convert glucose into usable energy. This is where the mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria perform cellular respiration, where glucose is broken down to produce ATP, the main energy molecule. This energy is used for movement. Plant cells contain a very large central vacuole that occupy most of the cell space. Functions of the vacuole includes number 1 is storing water, mineral, nutrient, and waste. Number 2 is maintaining glucose pressure, which keep the plant firm, and last one helping the plant stay upright. When a plant does not get enough water, the vacuole strains. To conclude, plant cells are highly organized structures made up of many different organelles, each with its own specific functions. The cell wall, chloroplast, and central vacuole make plant cell unit, support the plant survival. Other organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, ER, and Golgi apparatus work together to carry out essential life processes. Understanding plant cell structure helps us appreciate how plant life grow and support life on Earth. That's all for me. Thank you. 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 That's all for me. Thank you.